TIMIO News AI is the latest tool in the AI software space, and it's been making waves for its cutting-edge capabilities. In this review, we'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about this just-released AI software to help you determine if it's the right fit for your needs. Stay tuned because we're also going to give you a free trial link in the description, so don't miss out. Let's start with what makes TIMIO News AI stand out. Unlike traditional news aggregation tools, TIMIO uses advanced AI algorithms to gather and deliver news from a wide array of sources, all in real time. It doesn't just pull content, it analyzes the information to ensure relevance and accuracy, which is perfect if you need to stay on top of the latest trends in your industry. One of the most impressive features of TIMIO News AI is its ability to customize news feeds. You can fine-tune what news gets pushed to your feed based on your interests, whether it's specific industries, regions, or even particular topics. This level of personalization is a huge game changer for those of us who don't want to sift through endless irrelevant articles. Another critical aspect of TIMIO News AI is its natural language processing capabilities. It understands the nuances of language, which means it can provide context to the headlines and articles it aggregates. This is important because it cuts down on the need for additional manual research or filtering, making it incredibly efficient for busy professionals and marketers. Speaking of marketers, TIMIO News AI can be a goldmine for anyone looking to stay updated on industry developments in real time. Whether you're in digital marketing, tech, or finance, the AI helps you react quickly to market shifts and competitor moves by providing timely and accurate information. The AI also enables sentiment analysis, so you can gauge the public's mood or reaction to specific news events, which is crucial for crafting data-driven strategies. Another key feature is its ability to integrate with your existing tools. TIMIO News AI can be plugged into your CRM, social media management platforms, or email campaigns to help you align your content strategy with the latest news. You can schedule posts, generate content ideas, or even automate parts of your reporting, saving you time and effort. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The user interface of TIMIO News AI is clean, intuitive, and designed for non-technical users. You don't need a PhD to get the most out of it, and the software offers a robust set of tutorials and customer support to ensure you're never left in the dark. TIMIO News AI also features a seamless mobile app, allowing you to stay updated while on the go. Whether you're traveling, attending meetings, or just away from your desk, you can easily access your personalized news feed and stay informed wherever you are. And here's something else that's important. TIMIO News AI is built for scalability. Whether you're a small business owner, a large corporation, or a solo entrepreneur, you can scale the tool as your needs grow. This means it's just as useful for solo users as it is for large teams that need to stay in sync with global news trends. I've tried hundreds of AI tools over the years, and TIMIO News AI stands out for its combination of personalization, ease of use, and powerful integrations. If you're looking for a smart and efficient way to stay informed without the overload, TIMIO News AI might be exactly what you need. So, if you're ready to give TIMIO News AI a try, check out the first link in the description. It's completely free, and you can see for yourself why this is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market. And don't forget, if you're looking for other recommended AI software options, I've linked my personal favorites in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say these will help elevate your work and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.